Hey guys, this is Mr. Wong. Welcome back to your Photo 1 session. Today's date is April 20th. Okay, so here is the assignment for the week. And if you're looking for, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard from other teachers, maybe another assignment or something to boost your grades or to help, get your grades back up. It'll be in a different video, not this one. And I will label that video when it goes up. But this is the enrichment activities for this week. Okay, so thank you for the few of you who've turned in work last week on your titles and photos. Some of you followed through with actually giving me titles with explanations. Some of you just sent me photos with no titles. Also, if you haven't realized, a lot of this I am asking you guys to actually do the work and getting you guys ready to actually make your deadlines. Yes, it's enrichment. Yes, you're going, oh, but it seems so optional to do these things. Yes, I understand. But if you don't practice getting things in on deadline, that's going to hurt in the long run. Okay? So please try and get things in by deadline. All right, so here we go. This week, what we're working on. So last week was titles and photos. So you gave me an explanation of your title and you gave me photos. This week, we're doing a little something we would have visited during class. It's music and meaning. Now you're going, wait, what? Music and meaning? Yeah, music and meaning. So this week, I'm asking you to choose a song and shoot a series of photos that match a song. Traditionally, I would give you music and you would have to come up with your own ideas with the music I gave you. But these are not usual times, so I'm asking you to pick your own song. Must be school appropriate, and shoot, I don't know, minimum 5 photos for this series of work. So what I'm going to give you for once isn't too much examples, just a quick example. Here we go. So in this picture, you see, real nice palm trees, blue skies, pink clouds. The photographer, Daniel, when he took this picture, he was listening to the Beatles, Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. And when he was editing his image, all you think of this blue sky, right? Lit up by the pink sunset. So, if you want, there's other, photography out there like this. But I think for you guys and me, I only really want you guys to shoot a series of work that reflects one song. 5 photos. Either it captures the feeling of the song or the idea of the song or even words in the song. Here's your requirements. I need 1, the 5 photos. 2, the name of the song. And 3, how your 5 photos relate to that song. Don't tell me, well, the song's called Blue. I took pictures of blue things. Yeah. Go a little deeper, go a little further. All right. Again, those of you guys who are coming back for photo 2 next year, you need to be able to do this kind of work because this is the kind of stuff I'm asking for in class. So, like I said in the past, this is practice for you. All right, that's it. Short video, short and sweet. So this will be due Friday at 3 p.m. 5 photos. I need your song. I need your pictures. And I need to know how your pictures relate to the song. So that means there's a writing component. Okay? Yeah. Easy this week. Maybe not as easy as last week, but still easy. And also, like I said, tune in for the other video if you're wondering about how to up your grades. It's a different assignment. It's another assignment, but it is made so that it means that if you're serious about upping your grades, you'll do that extra assignment. That's it. All right, see you guys later. So this is due Friday at 3 p.m. All right, bye.